Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Now click on Text Correction and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you will switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!